DJM TV.
Benin Republic to become Nigerian 37th state. My betalicious person there, I welcome you to another edition of DJM TV Daily News Update. That your one channel where they give you all the gist and what you need to know. News on politics, entertainment, and what have you from Nigeria and all around the world. I beg, if you never subscribe, do well to subscribe so that this thing it go dey flow wella. The matter what we bring now about one of our neighbor will be Benin Republic. You know say Benin Republic they share border with Nigeria for both the northern side and for the western side. In fact, now our neighbors na NDMP for Africa. Now the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Godfrey Oyema, don't come and say after one private meeting where leaders for Africa hold, especially Benin Republic and Nigerian leaders, one closed door meeting where they hold. Minister of Foreign Affairs don't come as I thought say Benin Republic don't express interest to join Nigeria. In fact, they say they want to be the 37th state of the country. So what we're going to do state and capital now, we know do Nigeria have 36 states and one capital. No, because like say Nigeria has 37 states and one capital. But we'll give you a small lowdown about Benin Republic. Benin Republic is a French-speaking country for West Africa, and it is share border to the east with Nigeria. The east of Benin Republic, now be Nigeria. It also share border with Togo, Burkina Faso, and Niger. And majority of the population for Benin Republic, they live for the coast side and the Gulf of Guinea. The capital of Benin Republic, of course, na Port Novo, but where government seat dey na Cotonou. Most of all, what we hear Benin Republic, when they first come out of mind na Cotonou, based on say Cotonou that people know pass. And then this government seat dey, but not be there be capital. I never seen this guy before. Capital na Port Novo, while the seat of government is there for Cotonou. Now Benin Republic get over 11 million people. Now this one I want to form one state. Only one state will be like 12 million people. They get over 11 million people, and they largely dependent on agriculture, and they be large exporters of cotton and palm oil. They say do small farming, but largely they really into agriculture. They get many ethnic group, but not many reach Nigeria. And their religion too is just the Nigeria be. In fact, they're very similar with Nigeria. The only difference is they be majorly French-speaking country. Their official language na French, because now French, France now colonized them. So that one let me get to speak French. You see everything about Benin Republic, they write for French. So if you know sabi French, you go a French school before you fit go Benin Republic. And then now one thing that when Benin Republic do one time now to ban these herdsmen from entering into their country. Benin Republic they permit Fulani herdsmen for their country. Now they don't tell say they like join Nigeria. Now not just say problem go dey, because Nigeria, our government open give our brothers will be herdsmen free access to every state, and now they cause plenty problem. Oyema will be the Minister of Foreign Affairs. It does still come outside again called to say that's when they talk say Benin Republic doesn't they want become a 37th state of Nigeria. It's not be really as he talk, I will not be so you not mean like that. Waiting, I want to know what you mean. What you talk now we hear. You go your comment and say with the lie. We know the lie now. What do you talk? He say that can clarify that say Benin Republic now one of Nigeria's closest neighbor, and they not indicate interest in they want dissolve their country called join Nigeria. Thank God do. As many people they talk, he talk this with us for one small interview where we get with her, when these people get with her. He said the large population of Benin Republic that they share cultural similarity with Yoruba people, and they also get Hausa people for that side too. Say but the francophone country they don't want to dissolve their country called join Nigeria. He say they don't misconstruct the thing when they talk. The wetin e tok be say the attention of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs has been drawn to the misleading report in the media that Benin Republic is aspiring to be the 37th state of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The Minister of Foreign Affairs, in the presence of his counterpart from Republic of Benin, don granted a press interview after a fruitful meeting between ministerial delegates from both countries and stated therein, Mona hear what he talk o. The president of Benin Republic said he would like the relations between the two countries to be so close as if Benin was the 37th state of Nigeria. Say Nigeria no get any territorial ambition and never aspire to make Benin or any country part of Nigeria. Now, when this news first come outside, say when Minister of Foreign Affairs first talk am, say Benin Republic don say they want become, they like to become the 37th state of Nigeria. Many people react say Benin Republic mona dey una own o. We dey for here now, we dey find how we go take do Nigeria, whether we go share into like 15 places. So una wan come carry una wahala come join. Benin Republic will not want una for our country. Mona dey una side, at least una still dey enjoy for una side. Una close una border. Na in case you no know, na Benin Republic na same border lead to So the close border, the thing dey affect business. The president call say he wan come discuss with Nigerian president make dem open same border based on when they get bilateral agreement between the two countries. And now you don go put their matter say they wan become part of Nigeria. Nigerians don talk say they no want Benin Republic. In fact, they no even want anybody. The way e be say make we just share the country like this. Make we just share am into like 5 or 6. No be say another person come carry you come join our wahala. We never solve our problem finish. Una wan come carry and our president Oga Pubu come dey tell the president of Benin, they tell president of Benin Republic say make e be a good neighbor. Make they admonish and say be a good neighbor. Nigeria and Benin Republic, they be neighbors. It all go here, it all go there. Now, I wish the guy bring this, make the sign and say Benin Republic won't be part of Nigeria. Now, so therefore just a sign now. We'll call get 37 states and 1 capital. Then people call they go learn French. Based on say if you want to travel, go Benin State. You know, say Benin. No, it can't be Republic, it can't be Benin State, Benin Republic State, because you know, we get Benin, Edo, Benin and Benin are the same spelling. So maybe they call it Benin Republic State. State and capital, Benin Republic, Port Novo, or Benin Republic, Cotonou. You will never know if for be. Anyways, they don't come as I call debunk the story to say Benin want join Nigeria. Say Benin no want join Nigeria. They just like their relationship with Nigeria. And they want me Nigeria, they treat them as part of the country, as the 37th state of Nigeria. When Nigeria just treat them like that, to don't see them won't join the country. Well, for me, when I first hear this matter, I felt provoke. I say, where did they come? We don't serve. I beg. We not get space to accommodate more people. Everybody they stay their country. Everybody manage their country. They feel manage their country. The one who dey for years so for Nigeria. Now God they help us. May nobody call out the join our own. When I call here, I'm again say, okay, these people that they want use English, they confuse us. Now they won't confuse us. If you say we don't know English, they won't confuse us with English. When we treat them like say, what shall be like say? When they treat you like say, you not be. Forget that thing. You not be 37 states of Nigeria. We'll go meet America. Say me they treat us as if we be the 51 states of America. It's not possible now. Can't treat you at. We'll call the give government allocation because we the treat. I beg. My brother, my sister shook mouth for this matter. How you say I for B? If the thing come up, you go like me Benin Republic become part of Nigeria to become the 37th state of Nigeria, or may they day their day, may we day our day. Shook your mouth, put for the matter, talk for the comment section. In case you never like the video already, before you reach the answer, yeah, like the video, may you share it. And if you never subscribe, may you touch that bell where they close to the subscribe button there. So that when we drop the next another news now, you go be first to know say better it does show for DJM TV channel. May you also follow us on Facebook, for Twitter, for Instagram, and here for YouTube too. Until we come your way again, don't forget that this is still DJM TV Daily News Update. And me when they bring you this news, so I be your country sister, Lawo Favor, and they tell you say, sometimes you get our neighbors go close reach, they'll call become brothers. One love, my people.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us.
Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.